Very pleasant morning to all present here. I am Saranya, belonging to the Department of Mathematics. Now I am present here paper, Basic of LaTeX. First of all, we want to know what is a LaTeX. It is a document preparation system for high quality typesetting. Actually, it is not a word processor. It is based upon the commands. First of all, we know about the basic structure of the LaTeX document. That is the document class. Begin with document class, option 1, option 2, etc. First of all, what are the options? That is define the page layout of that LaTeX. For example, we want a A4 paper, 12-point font size. These are all defined in option 1, option 2, etc. The class define the name of the document. Suppose we have to create a document for a report and for an article or for a book. That defines in our class section. The packages are all we want to need for our PDF output. In between the commands document class and the begin document are called the preamble. The extra commands are lies between the document class and the begin document. It is the preamble. Our document full of the content lies between the begin document and the end document. For example, we have to create one title page of our book. We have to give our title and the content of the book. We have to type the document in between the begin document and the end document. This is the example program for your LaTeX. First, we have to start always the document class. That 10-point A4 paper are all our page layout setup. Suppose we want to our document in 11-point font size. We have to change the 10-point into 11-point. Article is the document name. Suppose we have to create a book. We have to change the class name in book. Next one, title. My document title is, you must put the title here. For example, my paper name is Some Basic Concepts of Real Analysis. So here we have to type author name, date, begin, make title. These are all the extra comments. That extra comments are called the preamble. Next one, begin document and the end document. In between that we call content. So we first want a title. So make title. First of all, we have to use the command for our title. Then the content of the document you have to type. This is the output of our LaTeX document. These are all the different types of document classes available in our LaTeX. For example, article, report, book, letter. These are all the various types of classes. So, basic commands for our article. First one is document class article, begin document and the end document. This is the common basic structure for all the document. Here are the different sections are defined. First one is section name. Second one subsection. Third one is subsection. Fourth one is paragraph. Here we want to type our section names. Suppose we have to create an article, we have to type introduction, we have to type our abstract, basic definitions. These are all the sections in our LaTeX document. Font style commands are very important in our document. In a word processor, we have to choose our font style in the available box. But here we have to use corresponding commands for the font style. First one, /emph. That is one of the font style command. Next one, we want to bold. For example, our title is a bold. We want to font style. We have to use /text md. In between, you have to type the title. etc. These are all the very important font style in our LaTeX document. This is the actual article LaTeX document. All are defined in this program. First one is document class article, that is the class name. The second one begin document, that is the common basic structure. Third one section 1, what is the label, that is the name of that section. For example, introduction, that is my first section, that is we have to labeling that section. Second one, here is the section 1 body. Okay, introduction na you have to give some introduction about that document. For example, introduction on the real analysis. We have to give some basic concepts on real analysis. That is our first section. Section 2 consists of the basic definitions of real analysis, etc. Our required, we have to give more than sections. Finally, we give the end document. This is the basic structure of the LaTeX document. We have to create some article paper. So most of the environments here we have to use. In our word processor, we have to use bullets, numbering, but here we have to use commands. For example, begin itemize, we give, that is the command for this type. Okay, we want to numbering, we have to use the command enumerate. Enumerate is the command for numbering in our LaTeX document. Next one, text justification. Left justification, right justification and the center justification. These are the main justification of in our LaTeX document. So here we have to use flush left, flush right and flush justify. These three commands are used in the LaTeX document. Suppose we have to create some table in LaTeX, we have to use the basic index of the LaTeX document. First one is begin table, end table. This is the index of the LaTeX document by creating a table. So begin table, the table name is placement. Next one, body of the table, we have to write the content of the table. Next, we some title for the table, here slash caption table title. Next one, end table. Okay, this is the basic structure of creating a table in our LaTeX. Similar to tabular, table is also similar to tabular, but the commands or entries are different. That's it. Next one. So these are the example program for creating a table by using LaTeX. Begin table placement. Body of the table, here we using the centering, caption, simulation parameters, begin, parameter, simulation time. Most of the extra commands are used. Next, end tabular, we have to use here addressing symbol for splitting the rows and columns. The double slash end of the line declare the end of the row or end of the column. Suppose we want to multi rows and multi columns, we have to use slash multi row command. As usual, begin table, end table, that is the basic structure. But we have to use the extra command, only one, that is slash multi row. We have to define what is the multi row. For example, 3 rows, we have to add another 4 rows. So slash multi row, you have to put here 4. Here entry 4, 5, entry 6, 7, entry 8, 9 and entry 10, 11. This is the multi columns. I have to add extra. So this is the called multi row and multi columns. So we have to use the command slash multi row in bracket, we have to put 4. Suppose mathematics students write a theorem by using LaTeX, we have to follow this procedure. So begin document class, begin document, end document. In between the content depends on this procedure. Use package, define the environment in the preamble. Preamble means the extra comments lies between the document class and the begin document. Numbering rules, examples are all content lies between the begin document and the end document. Next one. So new theorems. First of all, theorems are created by many namings. For example, sections, points, font style, font size are all using in our theorems. So here new theorem, corollary, new theorem's lemma, based upon the three names, theorems, lemma and corollary. So we have to use the syntax of the theorem in LaTeX is begin theorem and end theorem, or begin lemma and the end lemma. Suppose we have to write a corollary, we have to use the index / begin corollary and / end corollary. Suppose mathematical formulas we want to type in our LaTeX document, we have to use many other formatting settings. Here we have to use dollar symbol. For example, y is equal to sin x we want to define. First, starting we have to put dollar symbol, y is equal to / sin x dollar symbol. So here the formula is c square is equal to a square plus b square. So first we put dollar symbol c square. So c square we have to use the cap symbol, square is equal to a cap 2 plus b cap 2 dollar symbol. Then we get the output c square is equal to a square plus b square. So these are all the another mathematical formulas by using the same format. Okay, dollar symbol. Suppose we want to a power, we have to use cap formula. We want to underscore symbol for x2, x1. Suppose x1, x underscore 1. Then the output is x1. That's it. So math students using matrices also. So in our LaTeX, matrices also available for typing. So here this is the syntax of the our arrays, that is matrix. Begin equation and end equation, begin array and end array. Suppose begin array star, end array star we have to use. That equation is non-numbered. So begin equation star, the formula is max BF x. Max BF means that x should be in bold, is equal to /left begin array. Triple C is defined as the justification, center's justification. End array /right and end equation. This is the syntax of our array document. Next one. So we want use spacing, delimiter sizes in our equations because mathematics students are very using the LaTeX document compared to other major students. So these are all very important topics in our LaTeX. So spacing, delimiter, size, /left, /right macros. So this is one of the mathematical formulas. So this is the actually basic of LaTeX in our document. Thank you one and all.